Okay, good morning, boys and girls. It is January 12th, Tuesday. We are checking our warm-up on page 116 in our STAAR Master book. Okay, so number 1 says a rectangle has a length of 7 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. What is the perimeter? Who wants to tell me what they got? Kelsey, what'd you get? 35. Okay, so how did you get that?
I multiplied 7 times 5.
Okay. Does anybody else have a different answer? Allie, what'd you get?
7 times 7
Okay. Kaylee, what did you get?
I wanted to add them up.
You added all of them up, and what'd you get?
I still didn't add them.
Oh, okay, so you think you need to add them all up, and Aaliyah, what'd you get? 24? Okay, so we've got some different answers here. So for perimeter, you have to add all the sides, remember? No multiplying unless it's a square or a shape with all the sides the same. But a rectangle, she said, had 7, or the problem said 7 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So if 7's on top, what needs to be on bottom? 7. If 5 is on the left, then what needs to be on the right? 5. Now we add these up. What's 7 plus 7? 14. 5 plus 5?
10.
Okay, so what's 10 plus 14? 24. Okay, so C was correct. Very good, Aaliyah. Okay, number 2. Candace was comparing the perimeter of 2 items she found in her room at home. What is the combined perimeter of Candace's items? So, you have to do 2 things. You need to find the perimeter of both of these. And then you need to do what with them? Combine. Okay, so let's start with this shape over here, number 1. I need to add up all the sides, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what's 6 plus 4? 10. So then I would have another 6 and 4. So 10 plus 10 is what? 20. So the perimeter of this would be 20. Now let's go over here to the what looks like a record. We have 4 and 4. So what would be on the 2 other sides? 4s. So I could add up 4 times, or I could do 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4? 16. Okay. Now you need to combine these two. So 20 plus 16 would be 36. C is correct. Okay, so just remember, perimeter, you add all the sides. So how would I find the perimeter of this triangle? How would I find the perimeter of the triangle? Allie? Add all of the, what's 6 plus 4? 10 plus 9? 19. So D would be your correct answer. If you could do these small numbers in your head, that's fine. You don't have to show work, because as a math teacher, I want to encourage you to use mental math wherever you can. Okay? Number 4. Look at the figure below. The perimeter of the shape is 18 meters. What is the length of the missing side? Okay, so how am I going to find the missing side over here on the triangle? There's 2 steps. Kelsey, what's 1? Add sides we know. So step 1, I'm going to add 5 plus 7. That gives me 12. Okay, what's step 2? Aaliyah? Subtract what? Be more specific. Good. We're going to take the perimeter, which was 18, and subtract the sides we know, which was 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. Good. Okay, so B was the correct answer. Okay, on your homework this week, you will have area and perimeter, so make sure you don't confuse them.
Good morning, faculty, staff, and students. It's time for our